Menti? Hey, Menti. So, do you want to do a quick test and show everyone how smart you are? Okay, let's do it. Okay. A makes the sound. A makes the sound. A says. B says. C says. D says. E says. F says. G says. H says. I says. I. Yeah. J says. J. K says. L says. M says. N says. O says. P says. Q says. R says. S says. T says. U says. V says. W says. X says. Y says. Yeah. And Z says. Z. Good job, Menti. High five. High five. Good job, baby. High five? Maybe next time, guys. See you in the next one. Learning with a Menti. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.